Hey, if you have been looking to access the rare 45-day trial of Kajabi, you are in the right place, because not only is Kajabi adding an extra 31 days to their typical 14-day trial in this special promotion, but they are also giving access to their 2022 version of the Idea to Income Challenge. So let me show you what that is and why it's probably perfect for you if you are looking to get started right now getting your digital courses online. So the Idea to Income Kajabi Challenge for 2022 is the perfect getting started program to turn your idea into income fast. Here's what you're going to get. 45-day free trial to Kajabi, which is typically 14 days, but you are also going to get guided support and really just kickstart your 2022 goals. Now, here's why it's so exciting. Last year, when they did this challenge, they had numerous people who not only made money during the 45 days, they made thousands of dollars during the 45-day Kajabi trial. Now, here's what essentially is going to happen during this income challenge for 2022. You get access to 3 modules, one being the pricing your offer module, where a lot of people tend to get hung up on how to build a product in Kajabi, how to upload a video, create an offer, and you are also going to get access to the 2 new products that have been added to the platform, which is podcasting and the coaching program. Now, in Module 2, you learn how to package your offer. So not only can you create a membership or a digital course or a coaching program, you're also going to learn how to price it in a way that is appealing for your sales page and learn how to build a sales page. You are going to not only go from start to finish in the span of 45 days, but you are going to have a confident product that will be so enticing that you can use Module 3 of the program to build an email list and start generating recurring income as you start making more and more offers now that you know how to do it. So Kajabi has a ton of testimonials, which you can see on the link below. If you go to kajabipromo.com, you'll get access to the 45-day trial, and you will also see this Idea to Income challenge page. Now, kajabipromo.com is my special partner link that gets you access to this. Should you decide to continue on past the trial, I receive a small commission, which I put towards growing this channel. You can see they brought in the best of the best for the Kajabi heroes to help teach this program. You get taught by people who have used Kajabi to grow a business for how to grow your business fast with the platform. So if you want to get started right now, not only can you get access to the 45-day free trial and the Idea to Income Challenge, but I will also throw in my Business Breakthrough Toolkit, which is a $997 program my clients typically have to pay for. I will add that in and give that to you for free once you are past the trial portion. So when you continue on with Kajabi, you get access to all of my training and the Idea to Income training. Basically, you have everything that you need to make 2022 the year that you crush your income goals with digital products and sales online. So click the link below this video, kajabipromo.com, and get started today. I am excited to see your success story on this page next. Take care.